Did your appliance just break right after the warranty expired? It's a frustratingly common problem. Most manufacturer warranties only last 12 months, leaving Abbotsford homeowners with repair bills that can top $400. And those extended warranties? Consumer reports found they usually cost more than they save. But there's a smarter way. Local repair services are often 20-30 cheaper and much faster than the big manufacturers. We help you make the right call with tips like the 50 rule to decide if it's better to repair or replace. Want to learn more and save money? Read our full blog post linked in the description. For fast, reliable help in Abbotsford, call Abbotsford Appliance Repair Pros today.